Behind me is the future site of Avengers campus, which will be a major project at both Disneyland Resort and Disneyland Paris. And as you can see, the construction continues. This new land will invite guests to team up with the Avengers and their allies in a fully immersive land. The Quinjet has been installed on Avengers headquarters, and the Worldwide Engineering Brigade building, better known as WEB, will house our newest attraction, Web Slingers, a Spider-Man adventure. And I'd like to share a first look at the Web Slingers vehicles in motion. Guests will be able to board these vehicles and help Spider-Man take control of an army of spider bots that have taken over the Avengers campus. And you may just catch a glimpse of Spider-Man flying through the sky. At Disneyland Paris, guests will soon be able to experience Disney's Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel, celebrating 80 years of Marvel storytelling in a typical New York setting with a contemporary Art Deco style, which will include one of the largest publicly viewable collections of Marvel artwork in the world. At Walt Disney World Resort, we'll continue with the historic multi-year transformation of Epcot, including Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, Harmonious, and Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Harmonious will be one of the largest nighttime spectaculars ever created for a Disney park, featuring all the hallmarks of a Disney experience, including music and images reimagined by a diverse cultural musician set and artists from around the world. Coming in 2021, we're still on track to open Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, and we're looking forward to seeing you race through Gusteau's famous Parisian kitchen aboard a trackless ride vehicle in a thrilling 3D chase. At Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, also part of the transformation of Epcot, we're creating a family-friendly storytelling coaster that will feature a groundbreaking ride system with vehicles that rotate 360 degrees and can even do a reverse launch. This Omnicoaster is a first-of-its-kind roller coaster ride system where guests can be rotated along the ride track in any direction while traveling at very high speeds. The Omnicoaster name builds upon the tradition of the Omnimover ride system, in which Disney Imagineers are able to turn guests in any direction and focus their attention on a specific scene or element. And in a galaxy far, far away, construction continues at Star Wars, Galactic Star Cruiser. Guests will live aboard a starship for a 2-day, 2-night experience. This immersive experience is unlike anything ever built before. When you compare these concept illustrations of a passenger cabin to the photos of our mocked-up cabin, you can see we're making really great progress in making these dreams become a reality. At Shanghai Disney Resort, we're hard at work building Zootopia, where guests will be invited to experience the metropolis of Zootopia, which includes a new major attraction that will seamlessly blend Disney storytelling and state-of-the-art technology to bring this fan-favorite movie and its characters to life. In this aerial photo of the construction, you can see just how big the show building will be. In Tokyo Disneyland, new attractions, restaurants, and shops opened on September 28th, marking the largest expansion of the park's 37-year history. This large-scale development stretches across Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, and Toontown. Also part of the expansion will be Fantasy Springs. This exciting development will be themed to a magical spring inspired by the beloved Disney films Frozen, Tangled, and Peter Pan. This new themed port will include 4 new attractions, 3 restaurants, and a new Disney-themed hotel situated inside Tokyo Disney Sea, and it will overlook Fantasy Springs. And finally, out at sea, our 5th cruise ship, Disney Wish, will join Disney Cruise Line's award-winning fleet. I don't mean for this update to sound like a commercial. What I do want to convey is our confidence in our ability to recover and the fact that we're still building our future. In addition to the new products that are still in the works, we'll deliver our traditional celebrations that our guests can look forward to. Our annual holidays and festivals, they're back, but like everything in our lives at the moment, they're reimagined just a little bit differently. Epcot just completed this year's Adapted Food and Wine Festival, and each of our parks is decorated and ready for the holiday season. 2021 will also allow us to celebrate a number of milestones filled with new experiences, including the 5th anniversary of Shanghai Disney Resort and the 15th anniversary of Hong Kong Disneyland, which will kick off this week with the all-new Castle of Magical Dreams. This castle is truly something special. It represents the collective dreams of our Disney family, as it was built on the foundation, literally, of the castle design that Walt Disney himself brought to life when he first opened Disneyland in 1955. Finally, the kickoff to Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary will take place next year. I'm going to share these details at a later date, but what I can tell you is it's going to be very remarkable, and we intend to celebrate the stories and experiences